Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss how you change your CCaaS server time zone to be reflective of that of your region. Keep in mind that every deployment that is spun up initially will be set to the UTC time zone. So if for whatever reason at the time of the deployment this was not changed to reflect your current time zone, you can do that by going here. Admin System, System Settings, Advanced Settings, go down to Server Time Zone. I'm currently set to US Mountain, but you can click on this little ellipsis tool here and select from the drop down here to reflect your region. Keep in mind that if this was not changed at the time of deployment, any call data that you've logged prior to this point will be reflective of this change. So if it was UTC before, after a restart of the service at the end of the night, you'll be able to have all of your data be reflective of that time zone. Once done, click Save, and you're good to go.